So the best times to invest in precious metals is number one during inflationary periods. Right now we are seeing the highest levels of inflation in over 40 years. So I think it's a perfect time. If you go back into the late 1970s, when we saw high levels of inflation of 20%, gold and silver were the best performing assets. They both went up over 30 times during that period. So I think we're going to see something very similar this time around. Number two is when there's a lot of risk and uncertainty in the world. Right now with the war going on in the Ukraine, obviously we've seen with COVID, and now we've seen the stock market and bond market perform very poorly over the last few years. People are getting nervous and they're seeking alternative assets, and precious metals is one of those assets that people are putting their money into. And number three would be when the price is low. So historically speaking, silver right now is very, very cheap. Its all-time high was in 1980 when it went to $50 US, and right now it's at $23 US. So it's at a 60% discount from its all-time high. So I think right now is a perfect time to invest in precious metals.